When most people think about learning a language, they imagine long notes, boring textbooks, and endless memorization. But what if learning the Igbo language could actually be fun? That is the idea behind My Igbo World. We are building a platform that combines technology, interactive learning, and authentic Igbo language resources all in one place. Imagine tapping a flashcard and instantly hearing the correct pronunciation in my own voice. That is exactly what our interactive tap, flip, and listen flashcards are designed to do. But that is just the beginning. We've just added educational games that help learners build vocabulary while having fun. We have worksheets for practice, printable workbooks for self-study, and over 1,000 multiple choice questions to help learners test their understanding and track their progress. For young learners, we've created printing work matchbook. For young learners, we are creating printable word matchbooks and tracing books that make learning hands-on and engaging. And for those who love stories, we are adding Igbo storybooks that help learners improve their reading skills while connecting with their language and their culture. So whether you are a complete beginner, a parent teaching your children, or someone in the diaspora looking to connect with your roots, My Igbo World is built to support your learning journey every step of the way. We are building something special and we are only getting started.